Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Naomi. If you're seeing me for the first time, welcome. I hope you stay. I hope you enjoy our videos, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you for coming back. So there are 3 steps I would recommend on how to make your makeup last. If you think this is something you're interested in, definitely do keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not subscribed already, and let's get into this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the powder technique on how to make your makeup last. That's actually apply powder on your face before foundation. If you want to see how this is done, then definitely keep on watching. Please don't skip any part of this video, just gently watch the video till the end and you definitely learn something. Alright, first thing you want to do is to actually clean your face with any micellar water that you have. This one is from Beauty Formulas and that's what I'm using. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to moisturize my face, and I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I showed you guys in my last video. This stuff is so good, especially for oily skin, and I have really oily skin, so I'm just going to massage this onto my skin. For primer, I'll be using my trusty. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte. I always use this because it controls oil and it also minimizes the size of the appearance of pores. Alright guys, so the next thing is to use powder. Why are we using powder? This is a great way of actually making your makeup last all day, and the one I'm using today is the original no color setting powder. I love this powder a lot. You guys know I've been using it for the longest time now and I've loved the results so far. I'm going to use a powder puff to gently pick the powder and do this just around the areas where I'm prone to oil or where my makeup starts to break, during the day. So I'll just put this on my cheek like this. And fam, please don't pack like if this powder is too much, your makeup will break, so be careful not to apply too much, okay? Just a little. And I only recommend you to do this when you kind of have like an event you're going for, maybe like a wedding, and recommend that you do this. And you can totally use your normal baby powder, any face powder that you have in your house. You don't have to go and get this one that I showed you guys. You can use any setting powder that you have. You guys see, it's not a lot. I really just like press this powder into my skin. So now I'm going to get ready for foundation. All right, so for foundation, you guys, I'll be using my new Maybelline Fit Me Super Stay Foundation in the shade 360 Mocha, and I already pumped. This is just one pump at the back of my hand. I really love the consistency. I hope it works great, and I hope I like it better than the other one I used in my last video. And by the way, if you haven't seen my no makeup tutorial, JTO Fashion literally inspired me for that video. Click this link up here and you'll be able to watch that. Alright, so I'm just going to lightly spread. I'm using the flat foundation brush, to spread this. I'm going to set first of all before I go over to bake. So don't be scared because you already applied powder underneath your foundation that you're not going to set. You still have to set. This is another way of locking your makeup. I think this is first you want to apply your primer. The next thing you want to apply is the powder. Then you want to use the powder again to lock everything in. Alright. So just watch me as I do this. I'm using my trusty, my favorite palette, and I'm picking this color right here. So I decided to go crazy and do a blue winged liner. So what I'm doing is I'm basically just dipping this tiny brush into the pigment and then mixing it with a little bit of water so it becomes liquid. Alright guys, so the next thing I just did was to use my liner, my black liquid liner, and I'm using this one. It's called Mabruk, and I'll just be using it to frame the blue, to keep it in place. My hands are shaking, so I'm going to keep quiet while you guys watch me do this, okay? Okay guys, I'm messing things up a little bit, but we'll make it work, sure. Hey you guys, so I hope this video hasn't been boring or anything like that. I'm just trying to show you guys how I do my normal makeup and stuff. But let me know also in the comment section if you guys will be trying out the powder before foundation technique. I'd love to know. I hope you get the same results as I did. So yeah, it's pretty much everything about this look, and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. That's how YouTube will know that you like my videos and you would like to see more videos from me. All right, so don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts about today's tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.